Hello everyone, I am Debashish from Rep Sports. The man next to me needs no introduction. He has won multiple IPL titles for different franchises, and he is in Sri Lanka right now playing in the Lanka Premier League for just the defending champions Jaffna Kings. कुलदीप पीयूष भाई पहले आप ये बताइए कि how has been the experience and what was the reason of choosing to play in the Lanka Premier League when you have won IPL titles? तो क्या सोच था कि यहाँ आके खेलने का लंका प्रीमियर लीग?
Well, first of all, we have just played 2 games so far. Experience has been good, and you get to play some quality cricket. And once you retire from Indian cricket, you are allowed to go and play outside, and you want to explore the things. And वो reason है कि मैं यहाँ आया because the quality of cricket is really good. The top players from around the world comes here to play, and you really want to compete with them.
Obviously, the defending champions, they lost the first game, but what a turnaround it has been last night, winning the match against Dambola Sixers. And your team has some really, really good spinners. Can you just talk us about the team? Obviously, you have someone like a Rangana Herath at the helm, who is a legend in his own right as far as the spinner is concerned.
Well, there are a lot of good spinners over here, and we have seen Velalage is there. He's a really good prospect coming up, and good future for Sri Lankan cricket. And then there was another Traveen who bowled really well yesterday. So we have got quite a few good experienced spinners here, and they will learn a lot with these leagues. And talking about all the other players around, the combination looks really good. The captain Bhanuka is fantastic player. We have all seen that around the world. So that has been really good so far.
Obviously, let's shift our focus to Indian cricket. Yeah, what a knock from Rohit Sharma yesterday at Lords. He was under a tremendous pressure, but we all know what a player Rohit Sharma has been for India. His contributions, his leadership. Um, don't you think the team management needs to be clear? I mean, as to what will be their thought process going ahead for the 2027 World Cup? They needs to be told, especially players like Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, and word on Rohit's knock last night.
Well, we all know what Rohit brings to the table, the experience, the kind of player he is. He can take the game away from you within no time. And अंदर क्या चल रहा है वो हमें नहीं पता, जो बाहर की बातें हैं, क्योंकि अंदर जो डिस्कशन है सब कुछ है वो हम लोग को नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है कि उसके ऊपर वो उतना प्रेशर था या नहीं. हमने बाहर से शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रेशर क्रिएट कर दिया, लेकिन सबको पता है कि रोहित शर्मा कैसा प्लेयर है, वो क्या कर सकता है, और उसने कल दिखाया भी. हालांकि टीम नहीं जीती, टारगेट बहुत ज़्यादा था, लेकिन वहाँ तक जाना वो रोहित की नॉक की, इसीलिए वहाँ गए. और द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट रोहित इज व्हेन ही इज ऑन सॉन्ग he can go against any bowling attack, and that's what he has done yesterday as well. We were talking about Rohit not getting those big runs, but we don't have to go back too far. Against Afghanistan, 2 brilliant knock, 180 or run, 148, and he got a good delivery from Rashid in that game. And here also, when you come to England and when you just play few games, he's just playing one format for India. First 2 games, obviously he didn't get those big runs, but we all know what kind of a player he is. He's always in a, when he's middling the ball, no matter how many runs he's getting, but he's always looked in good touch, and he showed in the last game.
Yeah, but don't you think that he needs to be told? Means obviously there needs to be a clarity as to what the team management is thinking as far as the 2027 World Cup is concerned.
Well, that's what we are assuming. No, there is no clarity. हम लोग बाहर से बात कर रहे हैं, अंदर पता नहीं क्या बात हो रही हो सकता है क्लैरिटी दी गई हो. ये तो हम लोग का मानना है क्लैरिटी नहीं दी गई. किसी के पास 100% खबर है नहीं है, तो हम कितनी भी बातें कर लें बाहर, अंदर क्या चल रहा है वो किसी को नहीं पता, क्योंकि वो टीम मैनेजमेंट में और प्लेयर, कोच, कैप्टन, सेलेक्टर्स, इनका आपस में डिस्कशन होता है. तो हम बाहर से कहानियां नहीं बुन सकते.
हाँ, पीयूष भाई, ऑब्वियसली बात जब आती है कुलदीप यादव की, मीन्स ही लास्ट ईयर व्हेन इंडिया टूर्ड इंग्लैंड फॉर द टेस्ट सीरीज, 5 मैच टेस्ट सीरीज, ही डिड नॉट गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी इन एनी ऑफ दोस 5 टेस्ट मैचेस. और यहाँ भी हमने देखा कि 3 वनडेज में एक भी मैच में कुलदीप यादव को खिलाया नहीं गया. तो and Kuldeep Yadav in the last 5 years, if you see his record, he has been the most successful wicket takers in the ODI format along with Mohammad Siraj. Kuldeep को ना खिलाना as a spinner, how do you see this move?
It's a big blunder, I'd say, because ऐसा बॉलर है कि वो बीच के ओवरों में विकेट लेता है। और पिछले 5 साल में रिकॉर्ड उठा के देखें, 190 से ज़्यादा विकेट है मात्र 120 गेम्स में। तो ये रिकॉर्ड कोई छोटा नहीं होता, और हर जगह उसने हर कंडीशन में हर ऑपोजिशन के अगेंस्ट अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है। और वनडे क्रिकेट में मिडिल ओवर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड you don't have genuine wicket taker in those middle overs, and that's why I feel the bowling is struggling big time. And yesterday also, if you see the way Indian team batted, they got 2 wickets up front. Sorry, they didn't get couple of wickets up front, but still they had a chance to come back in the game if they had Kuldeep Yadav in the lineup. Not making him play all the games बिकॉज आपको लगता है कि हम 7 नंबर से 8-9 नंबर तक बैटिंग लेके आएंगे, तो मेरा मानना है कि अगर 7 ऊपर से कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो बाद में 8 और 9 भी कुछ इतना खास कर नहीं पाएंगे। तो आपको एक जेन्युइन विकेट टेकर चाहिए जो कुलदीप यादव है, लेकिन अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे, उसे मैचेस नहीं खिलाएंगे, T20 से वो ड्रॉप हो गया है, टेस्ट क्रिकेट अभी इतने ज़्यादा मैचेस हैं नहीं, तो मुझे लगता है कि एक प्लेयर के रिदम के लिए, कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए, बिकॉज अब वो जब भी मैच खेलेगा, it's not easy for any bowler. Now you come straight away and you expect him to pick up 5 wickets. You need to give him a long run, at least 4-5 games. And we all were talking like when Ashwin retired and Jadeja wasn't there. So he's the mainstay in your spin department, and he's not getting to play, being one of the highest wicket taker in the one day format in the recent years. So that I feel it's not a really good sign.
Do you think that this is high time that आगे का जो भी वन डे सीरीज रहेगा, you need to get in a Kuldeep Yadav so as to जैसे आपने कॉन्फिडेंस का जिक्र किया, because he will be an integral part, and how much of a role can he play in South Africa for that World Cup?
Well, definitely he has a big role to play, because if you remember a few years back when him and Yuzi Chahal played against South Africa, the bilateral, he has done really well. And कितने भी आप मैचेस उठा के देख लीजिए ओवर द इयर्स, बीच के ओवरों में कुलदीप यादव को वो जो विकेट टेकिंग एबिलिटी है वो बहुत काम आई है, और उसके चलते इंडिया बहुत मैचेस जीता भी है। अब अगर आप नहीं खिलाएंगे तो जब भी कुलदीप वापस आएगा तो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी इजी, एज आई सेड अर्लियर. So it's very important whenever there is next one day series, he should be the part of playing 11 in all the games. If you're thinking to build a team for 2027 World Cup, so you need a genuine wicket taker in those middle overs.
Taking a cue from your answer, what according to Piyush Chawla would be the spin bowling lineup as far as 2027 World Cup? Because आगे का जितने भी series होगा, this is high time that you need to sort out who your go-to spinners will be.
For me, number one stands there is Kuldeep Yadav, because you need somebody who can pick up wickets in the middle phase of the game, and he has that experience. He has done that in the past, and he's a quality bowler. And Akshar Patel is obviously there. So 2 spinners, because South Africa, I know you won't be going with the 3 spin bowling option. I know people talk about Washington Sundar, but Washington Sundar is a decent bowler, but he's not a genuine wicket taker, and you need one genuine wicket taker, which is Kuldeep Yadav. So for me, Akshar Patel and Kuldeep Yadav, they have to be there in the playing 11.
Thank you very much, Piyush Chawla, talking to us. So that
Thank
was
you.
Piyush Chawla exclusive. We hope that the team management be consistent enough and give more opportunity to Kuldeep Yadav so as to get his confidence back. So that's it for now. This is me, Debashis, signing out for Rep Sports. Keep watching this space.